Millions of people in the USA work very hard every single day. They wake up early, rush to work, spend long hours on the job, and still struggle with money. If hard work alone made people rich, then no hardworking person in America would be poor. So why do so many people who work honestly still live paycheck to paycheck? In this video, I will explain the real truth about money in the USA, why hard work is no longer enough, and what actually helps people move forward financially. From the outside, life in the USA looks comfortable. Good roads, big houses, nice cars, and modern cities. But the real life is very different. Rent keeps increasing every year. Food prices go up again and again. Health insurance is expensive. Gas, electricity, phone bills, and internet take a big part of the salary. Even people earning a decent income often feel stressed about money. Many Americans finish their paycheck within the first 2 or 3 weeks of the month. This is why living in the USA does not automatically mean financial comfort. The biggest mistake most people make is depending on only one source of income. One job, one salary, one paycheck. This system worked in the past, but today it is very risky. If the job is lost, or health problems come, or an emergency happens, everything becomes unstable. One income means one problem can destroy everything. That is why many hardworking people feel trapped and worried about the future. Let me tell you a simple example. Imagine a person working full-time in the USA. He works honestly, never misses work, and does everything right. But every month, most of his income goes to rent, food, bills, and expenses. He wants to save money, but something unexpected always happens. After years of hard work, he realizes that effort alone did not give him financial freedom. This is the story of millions of PAYO. Smart people understand one important rule: never depend on only one income. They build a second source of income while keeping their main job. This does not mean taking big risks. It means using time wisely. Online skills, freelancing, digital work, content creation, simple side hustles. These things start small, but slowly create security and confidence. Smart people focus on learning skills that can earn money beyond a fixed salary. Many people quit too early. They try something new for a few weeks and stop because results are slow. But real change does not happen overnight. Success is built through small daily effort, done consistently for months and years. The people who win are not always the smartest. They are simply the ones who did not give up. You are struggling financially right now. It does not mean you are a failure. It means you are still learning. Everyone starts somewhere. Every successful person once had nothing. The key is to stay consistent, keep learning, and never stop trying. If you want simple and honest USA finance videos, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and remember, consistency changes everything.